What?
Charlie,
Charlie is a boy?
yeah, but Charlie belongs to the girl
Why? I
because
thought
the
it was a
name,
boy.
but the name is Berry for the girl's love.
Oh.
But that's different. Cause has sword in the ears like the vampire. But there's one more problem.
What problem?
It will come to the real life and the fake life. You see that if you write on paper, yes, no. If you put the pencil like this, it will, if you say Charlie
Hmm?
in the paper and the pencil, it will move by itself. It will
Oh,
say no and yes.
why?
Because I just saw the video even Bluey.
With Bluey? So Charlie and Bluey is different?
Even he said that. Charlie. Did someone do die Bluey's house? But that's going to be different.
Okay.
Because I just saw the video. There's some bleeding blood. I just see their grandma just fell down in the floor and get by died.
I see.
Because grandma but didn't know how to walk very slowly. But he going to walk very slow with the road because he doesn't know how to walk. Because when he gets older, he will walk even slower.
Oh, so when you get older, you walk slower.
Yeah.
Okay.
After we grow old, I will turn into vampire or dinosaur.
Oh. Ay,